We've just installed the 2012 to 2015 Toyota Land Cruiser Hamilton Premium Conversion Kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. This system, we have a full installation video on our YouTube channel and details on our website, is going to replace your factory screen entirely in your 2012 to 2015 Land Cruiser. Of course, you'll be able to long hold this home button for 3 seconds at any time to switch back to your factory screen, where you can access all of your original features, including your navigation, XM radio, climate control, or any other feature you might want to use. This system integrates flawlessly with your original backup camera. You can see shifting to reverse will bring up your backup camera, and you'll have those guided dynamic reverse lines as well. Coming back to CarPlay, I'll walk you through the features quickly here in CarPlay, and then I'm going to talk to you about what makes this system so special and why it stands apart. You can see no matter which music app you use, you'll have easy access to all of your songs. They'll appear here automatically in CarPlay. You have your nice large cover art. The same goes for navigation here. Siri will read your directions. It's so much better than the original.
Starting route to Walnut Creek Amphitheater. Head north on Corporation Parkway.
Turning the volume up or down will bring this nice pop-up from the top. It looks very factory. This system is super high quality. You can see the piano black trim integrates. It looks truly like something that came right from the factory. And we have these nice air vents and clock as well. Coming back home in CarPlay, any app that has a CarPlay component will automatically show up. So if you use an app in your personal or business life, it will be here automatically. Text messages and phone calls will pop up, and you can use Siri to send texts and phone calls as well. A quick press of the voice speech button will trigger Siri. Hey Siri, text Parker.
What do you want to say to Parker?
Do you want to get dinner tonight?
It says, do you want to get dinner tonight? Send it.
Send it.
Done.
Because our engineers have expertly tuned our system to work with your factory microphone, Siri works terrific. Pushing the Hamilton button or a quick touch of the home key will take you to this Hamilton underlying operating system here. Here in the Hamilton underlying operating system, you have access to features that are more powerful than even the newest vehicles on the market. Any app with a Google Play Store component can be automatically loaded onto this system, and you can use apps to have features that might not be available in CarPlay or Android Auto. This system is going to have wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto built right into it. You'll also have this climate control panel here. Long holding the home key or touching this original button brings you to the original screen, where you can easily navigate through all of the original features. Long holding that home button will bring you right back to the Hamilton system. You can see here touching the camera view key will cycle through all of your original camera modes, just like it did from the factory. With our system, you won't lose any factory functionality. You'll keep all of your original features, XM, FM, AM radio. You'll add this beautiful new screen that looks like it came from the Toyota factory. And with 128 gigs of onboard storage and 8 gigabytes of RAM, powered by a top-of-the-line Qualcomm processor, developed and tested right here in Raleigh, North Carolina, you can be sure that this system is going to bring your Land Cruiser into the future and make it look like a terrific vehicle for years to come. We absolutely love this car. It's one of the very best that's ever been made, and giving it the tech it deserves is truly a great investment. We have a 3-year Hamilton guarantee backing this product. It's a top-of-the-line warranty. It means we're going to take great care of you before, during, or after your purchase. You can also give us a call at 919-858-2890. You can talk to me or one of my techs. We appreciate your business.